Sa pagdinig naman ng Subcommittee on Penal Laws, joint with Committee on National Defense and Security kahapon sa Kamara, binigyan din ng mga mambabatas ang kahalagahan ng pag-amyenda sa mga batas na poprotekta sa pambansang seguridad. Si Jap Regala, una sa balita.
Muling inilatag ang ilang panukalang batas na naglalayong amyendahan ang Article 117 ng Act No. 3815 o mas kilala bilang the Revised Penal Code of the Philippines. Sa pagdinig, isinusulong ni Cagayan de Oro 2nd District Representative Rufus Rodriguez ang House Bill 6177 na naglalayong amyendahan, linawin at patatagin ang naturang batas na magagamit sa mapayapang panahon o sa oras ng gyera. Ang mga insidente anya ng pag-espiya ay isang malaking banta sa pambansang seguridad na siyang dapat maaksyonan agad. Mas lumalaki rin anya ang panganib sa pambansang seguridad dahil sa pagiging advanced ng teknolohiya. Kapansin-pansin din anya ang dumadagsang bilang ng mga Chinese nationals sa bansa.
It's true, there's so many Chinese agents in this country today and so many Filipino traitors who are under the payroll of the government of the People's Republic of China. And that is why we are concerned. We are concerned that we should be able to have a law that will assure us and make sure that the DND, the police, the DNB, and everybody could be able to charge those who are with prima facie evidence of espionage under the revised penal code.
Nilinaw din ni Representative Rodriguez na dapat maklaro ang pagkakaiba ng foreign interference at ng espionage.
Well, espionage is certainly different from foreign interference, and therefore that even this bill cannot include foreign interference under the title thereof. And then that is why we say that there has to be, I believe, there has to be a separate one on foreign interference so that clear, jurisdiction is clear, the acts, the elements of the crime of espionage is already stated here, and then what is exactly foreign interference.
Suportado naman ni mamamayang Liberal Party List Representative Laila de Lima ang mambabatas. Anya, dapat munang unahin ang anti-espionage ng mga panukala.
I agree with the position that I think for easier consideration, easier and faster consideration, we first focus on the anti-espionage bill. And let's not inject first the foreign interference aspect. We can always have a different bill on this.
Binigyang diin naman ni Representative de Lima na dapat nang matuldukan ang anumang uri ng espionage para maprotektahan ang soberanya ng bansa. Nauuna sa mga balitang totoo at laging bago. Jap Regala, alaw na sa balita, Congress TV.